Hello everyone, welcome to Gans SQL Server Debate tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create backup maintenance plan in SQL Server. A maintenance plan is a set of measures, workflows taken to ensure that a database is properly maintained or routine backups are scheduled and handled. So, in backup plan, we will just take the backup of the whole database or selected database on that. So, go through our SQL Server Management Studio. Just connect the SQL Server Management Studio. So there is a management. In the management, we have a maintenance plan. So if you have any maintenance plan, then you are able to see on that. So it will be visible on that. So now I am going to create the new maintenance plan. Right click on that and click on the new maintenance plan. I am giving the name for the new maintenance plan, backup underscore all DBs. Okay. So this is my backup maintenance plan name. Click on OK. Now go to the view. Wait a second. View. Click on the toolbox. The toolbox is coming. So this is my toolbox. You can auto hide clicking over there. Okay. So we need the backup maintenance plan. So there is a maintenance plan. We have backup database task. So just click on that and drag in your maintenance plans. So wait a few seconds. It will open. So backup maintenance plan is created. So this is a sub plan and we have not scheduled the plan and run as a SQL Server agent service account. If you have another account for the service account, then you can select that service account. But just remember that that account should be write permission to the specific path where the database will be stored. And this is the cross button, and this button means that backup task is not configured. So whenever we will configure the backup task properly, it will go away. So right click on that or edit or double click on that. So it will open a pop-up. So backup task, backup database task. So general. So backup type. What are the backup type you want to take? Just select on that. So I'm taking the full backup type and database. So select one or more databases. So there is a option is selecting all databases. So it will include the master, model, MSDB, TempDB, all the databases it will include. And if you are taking the backup for the system database, so it will only the take the backup of the system database like master, model, MSDB, TempDB. So it will store, and you have option to all user database. So it will exclude the master, model, MSDB and TempDB databases. Okay, and you have a specific option. You want to select the specific database, then click on here. So it will give you the specific database backup. So just like I'm just selecting the DVD rental DVD rental new, so it will give you the DVD rental database only. So for all database, I will select the all databases. So it will include the master, model and MSDB. And this is one more option is there, ignore database where the state is not online. Just assume that you have too many databases and some of the databases you are not using, so you are just keeping the database offline. So what it will give you the error while just for the backup. So just ignore those databases, those are not online. So just check this one. This is a good option to check and click on OK. So all databases we have, and this is a backup 2. So backup 2, as we already discussed, there is a 3 options here. So disk, tape, right, tape drive, we have a tape library, then we just give the path for the tape library URL. So if you want to give the backup into the Azure, so you can select the URL. So now I have a disk, so I'm keeping the disk. Next is destination. So destination, backup the database across one or more file. Okay, so we can select over there. And next option is create a backup file in every database. So all the database will be backup in the this folder, backup folder. Right? And there is one more option is there. So create directory for the each database. So if you want to get the directory, means that all the backup have a one separate folder it will create. So for that you check this one. Next option is backup file extension. So backup file extension we are giving the .bak. It will come with the .bak file, and there is a connection. So if you have a local server connection, then leave it there, and if you have a new connection, then you can click here and you can select the database. And next is option. So option set backup compression. So there is a three options there. Use the default server setting. Next is compress backup, and third is do not compress backup. So compress backup, what it will do, just assume that your database size is 100 gig and your backup size is 40 gig. So that 40 gig is good for you for the keeping the size. So just go for the compressed backup. But just remember that whenever you are going to restore the database with that 40 gig and original size is 100 gig, so before restore automatically it will decompress and it will become a 100 gig. So don't assume that your 40 gig database will store in the 40 gig of size of server. So it need to be more size. Do not compress. So it will just do not compress the size 100 gig database. It will give you the 100 gig size, and default setting it will compress to the 20 to 30% approx. And this is a backup set will expire. So after if you check this one, after how many days backup will expire and with the specific date, then just you have to click on the on option. It will come backup only database is this option. Only the you want to copy only the backup, so this will. And verify backup integrity. If you want to verify the backup integrity, so you can check this one, backup encryption. If you encrypt the backup, so there is a option algorithm is there, AES 128. So you can compare backup encrypt with that. Next is okay. So this, see, this cross button is gone away. So my backup, my database, this task is available for backupping my data. So control S for the saving this one, control plus S. And if you want to schedule the backup, so just for the particular time, date, or one time or more time, so you can schedule it. Click on that, so you'll get the new job schedule. So this subplan name is there, and schedule type. So this is the type of the schedule. So one time backup is there whenever CPU become ideal, or start only this SQL server as an step. So you can select as per your requirement. And recurring whenever means it will time based. So whenever you want to run, you can run with that. So there is a frequency option is there, occur daily, weekly, and monthly when you want. And every recursion every 1 week and 1 day and every day. So there is a option, so every 1 month. So whatever you want you can select. And daily frequency, what are the times you want to run, just like a 3 p.m, 4 p.m, or every day. So you can select the date from there. And duration, start date. So duration start date is this, end date you want to give the end date, that after that end date it won't run. So this is the way we can schedule the backup. Now controllers, let me check the maintenance plan is created or not. See, backup all DBs are created there. And here also you can see the jobs. In jobs, see, backup all DB plan is created. If you want to run the backup now, then right click on that, you can execute. So it will give you the all database backup. So let me test the backup is working or not. Click on execute. See, execution is started. Let me check on the path. See, backup is started. So these are my backups. Yeah. So now execute maintenance plan is success. So in this video we learn how to create the maintenance plan, and a maintenance plan is the set of this one, and maintenance plan is completed. Thank you for watching.